video, we will be presenting on topic clinical waste. Our group consists of 4 people: SYED DAMIEN, ADRIANA BATRISYIA, AZMINA QISTINA, and ALIA NATASYA. This is our table of contents. We have 6 sections to be discussed. Firstly, I will begin with the briefing about this project. This project focuses on the transforming the existing MyMedi Safe website into a mobile application called SYED. The app is designed to help users manage clinical waste properly while increasing awareness of safe disposal practices. SYED provides a more interactive, user-friendly, and environmentally focused platform compared to the existing website. As a mobile application, users can conveniently access information, educational resources, and waste management guidance anytime and anywhere through their smartphones. This makes it easier for the public to stay informed and adapt to responsible clinical waste management practices. Next is problem and target market identifications. So first, we need to know what is clinical waste. So clinical waste refers to the waste generated from healthcare activities that may be harmful if not disposed properly. In our project, we focus on the household clinical waste such as unused and expired medicine, used syringe, insulin needles, IVF injection needles, and disposable face masks. We choose the issue because clinical waste has become increasingly common in Malaysia with a 27% increase reported after the COVID-19 pandemic. Studies also found that 84% of households keep unused medicine at home, mainly because patients recover, medicine expired, or treatments are not completed. Although proper disposal is important, around 75% of Malaysians still throw unused medicine into rubbish bins, sinks, or drainage system. To solve this problem, the Ministry of Health already introduced the Medicine Return Program, MRP. However, awareness and the participation remain low, with only 51.7% of people aware of the program and only 26.2% participate. The main barriers of the program is lack of awareness, inconvenience, and limited access to disposal facility. So therefore, we developed SYED, an application that can be accessed anytime and anywhere to increase awareness, provide disposal information, and help users locate proper disposal facilities more easily. This is important because improper clinical waste disposal can cause environmental contamination, water and soil pollution, and risk to human health. Therefore, improving awareness and accessibility is essential for safer clinical waste management. So, for our target market, it consists of 2 groups, which are the mentioned public and household that keep or use medicine at home. So we selected this group because household clinical waste has increased significantly in recent years. In Malaysia, clinical waste increased by 43.9% from 39,900 tons in 2020 to 57,400 tons in 2021, mainly due to the increased use of PPE and COVID-19 related materials. As a result, more household clinical waste such as face masks, expired medicine, syringe, and insulin needles is being generated. In addition, there is a lack of awareness regarding proper disposal methods and the health hazard associated with the clinical waste. Improper disposal can threaten the public health and contaminate the environment, particularly water and soil resources. Therefore, our project aims to educate the public and encourage households to practice safer and more responsible clinical waste management.
Now, I will explain our proposed solution, which is SYED, a mobile application designed to improve clinical waste disposal practices in Malaysia. Our tagline is Scan, Track, Dispose, Protect. SYED helps users manage and dispose of unused or expired medicines safely. The application provides guidance, tracking, and support features to ensure that clinical waste is handled responsibly and does not harm human health or the environment. Before discussing the new features, let's look at the existing MyMediSafe platform. Currently, it mainly acts as an informational platform. Users can find disposal locations, watch educational videos, and access basic information about medicines and clinical waste disposal. However, it only provides one-way communication and users cannot actively report issues or participate in waste management activities. SYED introduces 3 innovative features. The first feature is smart tracking with GPS and AI integration. This feature uses GPS technology to track waste disposal locations in real time. Users can only use the camera function to scan medicines or medical waste. The AI system will then identify the waste and provide useful information, including the purpose of the medication, the correct disposal method, and the nearest authorized disposal facility where the waste can be returned safely. This makes the disposal process easier and more convenient for users. Moving on to the next feature. The second feature is the public reporting feature, which is linked directly to the Ministry of Health. If users encounter illegal or improper disposal of clinical waste, they can take a photo and submit a report through the application. The report includes the exact location of the incident, allowing authorities to respond more quickly and effectively. To encourage public participation, users will receive rewards after a successful report is verified. Additionally, personal information is protected under the Personal Data Protection Act 2010, ensuring privacy and security. Lastly, the third feature is the points and voucher collection system. Users can earn reward points whenever they participate in responsible disposal activities or make purchases through participating partners. These points can be redeemed for various benefits such as pharmacy vouchers and 5 ringgit discounts on medication delivery services. The vouchers can be also redeemed through popular digital payment platforms such as GrabPay and Touch and Go e-wallet. This reward system encourages continuous user engagement and promotes responsible waste disposal behavior. SYED collaborates with Touch and Go e-wallet and GrabPay for voucher redemption and points collection. We also partner with Alpro Pharmacy, where users can send expired medicines and other household clinical waste for safe disposal. These partnerships make our solution more convenient and accessible to the public. SYED is a smart and user-friendly clinical waste management app that combines AI guidance, GPS tracking, public reporting, reward incentives, and strategic partnerships to promote safe disposal practices and protect public health and the environment.
This comparison table shows the differences between the SYED and MyMedisave. MyMedisave is limited to basic guidance such as providing disposal locations and video, while SYED is more expanded to full clinical waste management support. In terms of user interaction, SYED offers high interactive and engaging features compared to MyMedisave, which is mostly the information-based. Also, SYED includes a reporting feature to handle real issues and concerns, whereas MyMedisave has no system to address illegal disposal. In addition, SYED integrates AI and smart features, making it a more advanced and comprehensive solution. So, that is why the SYED is needed for our community in Malaysia.
And then I will explain benefits and sustainability impacts. For benefits to the public, the first benefit is faster problem response. Clinical waste is sometimes illegally dumped in public areas, creating health and environmental risks. So with SYED, users can quickly report the waste by uploading a photo and sharing their location. The apps then provide information about the waste, safe handling instructions, and nearby authorized disposal center for such as klinik kesihatan. This allows authorities to respond faster and reduce the potential risks. The second one is reduce accidental exposure. Clinical waste such as used syringe and expired medicines can be very dangerous if it mixed with household waste. So, SYED helps prevent accidental injuries and exposure by providing disposal guidelines, QR code scanning to identify waste types, and information on authorized disposal locations. Finally, improve confidence in waste handling. Many people are unsure how to dispose of medicines and clinical waste correctly. By using AI technology, SYED helps users identify waste and provide accurate disposal recommendation. As a result, users can manage clinical waste more safely, responsibly, and with greater confidence. For environmental impact, first, the reduction of hazardous waste pollution. Clinical waste, it contains pharmaceutical substances, chemicals, and infectious materials that may harm the environment if disposed improperly. Medicines that thrown into the rubbish bins or drains can enter rivers, lakes, and soil systems, which affect the ecosystem and aquatic life. SYED, it helps reduce this issue by guiding users to authorized disposal centers, ensuring that hazardous waste is treated safely and environmental pollution is minimized. Next, it lowers risks of environmental contamination. Clinical waste may contain harmful microorganisms such as viruses and pathogens. If not managed properly, these materials can contaminate soil and water sources. Through disposal guidance, location tracking, and educational features, Sisabadi directs the infectious waste to approved treatment facilities, helping to protect the environment and conserve natural resources. Next is for societal impact. First, it improves public health and safety. Improper clinical waste management can lead to the spread of diseases, injuries, and environmental hazards. So, by making authorized disposal centers easier to access, Sisabadi helps reduce the health risk and promote safer waste management practices within the community. And then it also increased public awareness and responsible behavior. Many people are unaware of the dangers of improper clinical waste disposal. Sisabadi, it addressed this through educational content, disposal guides, and a reward system that encourages responsible behavior. By providing points and voucher incentives, the application it motivates the users to adopt sustainable waste management practices and build greater environmental awareness. Furthermore, Sisabadi also supports several sustainable development goals. Firstly, it supports SDG 3, good health and well-being, by reducing exposure to hazardous clinical waste and promoting safer disposal practices that protect the public health. Secondly, it supports SDG 6, clean water and sanitation, by preventing pharmaceutical waste and clinical materials from entering water such as rivers and drains. Lastly, it supports SDG 12, responsible consumption and production, by encouraging proper waste management and raising awareness about sustainable and responsible disposal behavior among the public.
Next, we move on to Business Application Tool, where we showcase the 4 P's of our application. Starting with Product, where we provide an app to assist or guide and promote awareness against unsupervised clinical waste towards the public to ensure preservation of the environment. Next is Promotion, where the product will be promoted through advertisement on social media from public users who also use the app, as well as local clinics promoting the app. Next is the Price, where the app is free to use, with no starting price or microtransactions. The reason for this is to ensure no features were locked behind any unnecessary payments, and users can enjoy all the features we provide and more. Finally is the Place, where our product is available online to ensure ease of access for everyone with a mobile device. Thank you.
In conclusion, based on this limitation, MAZDI SIF alone is not sufficient to address current clinical waste management challenges. So since clinical waste cannot be disposed directly by the public, proper guidance and access to authorized disposal channels are essential. Therefore, we developed Sisabadi as a comprehensive, interactive, and user-friendly platform. Through AI integration, reporting features, and enhanced guidance, Sisabadi increased awareness, promotes proper disposal practices, and contributes to safer and more sustainable clinical waste management in Malaysia. So that's all from our group. Thank you.